I went shopping at Home Depot and found 4 absolutely incredible woodworking jigs that I did not know they had. You're gonna be shocked by these. First up, one of the better miter gauges that you can buy right now. This thing is packed with features, including a fence, stop block, and a lot more. First cut, we're gonna do a 90-degree cut, perfectly square. You can see that right there. Cut to 45 degrees, went through smoothly, and as you can see, dead accurate at 45 degrees. For the price this comes in, right around $100 at the time of this filming, this thing is incredible. Next, one of my most used accessories that I've ever used in the shop are these style setup bars. Now what these are for is setting up your tools. You set blade heights using this centered notch right here. Or you can use the little nub on the end to set blade distances away from your fence. You can also use these to set the bit height of your router bit. They also have this little nub on top, and that's for checking depth of holes or grooves. PowerTech makes one of the better crosscut sleds that I've tested on the channel to date. It has a lot of features packed in at a decent price, and it's dead accurate. The stop block is also a nice addition, and the fence, the way it just swivels on there, is really nice as well. All right, mystery box reveal. No jointer? No problem. We have a jointing and tapering jig from PowerTech, doing away with an edge jointer so you can do it on your table saw, and also tapering at the same time, or at least with the same jig. I want to edge joint this live edge piece of walnut. Went through there really nice. So if you're building cutting boards or tabletops, panels, that sort of thing, gluing up multiple boards together, you don't have to have a jointer. You can just use your table saw and this jig, which I think is great.